Hello, Smoketown 4th grade students and family members. Welcome back to the 4th grade website of resources, week 4. If you scroll to the bottom of this page, you'll notice the Zoom links are still there for our first meetings of the week and will be updated as we go throughout the course of this new week in resources. Speaking of resources, clicking on the resource link will take you back to the same exact page that you've gotten used to with all of these subject areas. When you click on any one of the subject areas like Read Aloud, you'll notice there are at least 4 button presses now for Read Aloud. Make sure you are clicking the one in the middle on the second row. That is for the week of April 20th, week 4. The Read Aloud this week will continue and finish the Mr. Rogers Who Was book. And there are also a couple of videos that go along with the Read Aloud and a couple of Mr. Rogers songs in this section. We will complete the book by Friday, so be sure to read along with us. In the writing section this week, you'll once again notice, after you click on week 4, that we have 5 different writing prompts for you. Monday through Friday, take the writing prompt and submit them through your Google document to your homeroom teacher. In math, we have our 5 daily problems like we have been giving you, but we did add a new lesson for the week. And there is an Ed Puzzle video that goes with one of those lessons. There's a video right here to help you learn how to convert measurement, and then there's some worksheets that you can submit the answers to using your Google document. You'll also learn about area and perimeter with a worksheet and submit those answers using your Google document. Aside from that, math is exactly the same. Here are your 5 daily questions that you have Monday through Friday. In case you missed it, back on the math homepage, underneath the button press links, we've added a second set of challenge questions here for you if you're inclined to do more challenge math problems. Moving on to reading. This week, in week 4, you will be reading and listening to a new story, The Great Kapok Tree. A couple of these files you'll download and teach yourself. On Wednesday, there's a quiz is. Here's the code. Click on the link, type in this code, you'll be good to go. On Thursday, there's a Google form. It's a vocab quiz. And then on Friday, you're going to read this new story about Paul Bunyan and take the Google form that day as well. Spelling, there are no changes. Click on week 4. There is a video about possessive nouns, and then your list words and activities for the 5 days this week are posted for you to review and submit to your teacher as you have been doing so far through the course of our time at home. In the STEM page, we have 2 more mystery sciences. One is on Monday, the other is on Friday. On Tuesday, you're going to be introduced to a new tech tool called Flipgrid. Then on Wednesday, you're going to watch Mr. Panza videos, teach you about how we're going to use Flipgrid. And finally, Thursday, you'll click this link and you will create a Flipgrid to create for your classmates to see. In science this week, we will continue learning about magnets, finishing the story we read last week, Google Forms on Monday, as well as Tuesday. On Wednesday, just 2 videos, and then on Thursday, there's 1 more Google form, and finally Friday, just a video. So after you listen to the videos, make sure you're taking the Google forms. Remember, history and grammar are separated, which means history you're going to be doing this week, on Thursday, and on Friday. Download the files, read, take the form, download this file, and then finish the letter that was started for you. Which means on Monday and on Tuesday, Wednesday, you can look at the grammar page. And in grammar for week 4, you can see that we have a video with a couple of links, and we've added Monday through Friday daily edits. You can again submit this information through Google Docs. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact one of your teachers. Our email addresses are right here, or you can contact us any way you have throughout the course of the year. Welcome back. Do lots of learning this week, 4th grade.